Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to program or reprogram your Directv remote to your TV. So there's a lot of ways on how to do this because it depends on what remote you are using. You can either use a Genie remote, a Universal remote, or a Gemini remote. So in order to have a guide on this, I will share this article to you. So just open your web browser and go to directv.com/support/article/000092856. So this article is all you need in order to troubleshoot an issue or reprogram your Directv remote control. So for example, let's try this, the Directv or the Genie remote. Just click on it, and then here, this actually shows you all the steps in order to reprogram or program the remote to your TV. So make sure to follow carefully these steps. It's very detailed, as you can see. So that's basically it.